Hey kids, so today we have these colors. So let's learn these colors all together. Let's get started. We have this color. This is black color. We have this color. Let's open it. It's yellow color. Let's put it over here. Next we have this color. Let's open it all together. Alright, so it is a red color. Let's put it over here. So kids, next we have this color. Let's open it. Alright, so it is a blue color. Let's put it over here. Next we have this color. Alright, so it is a green color. Next we have this color. Let's open it. Alright kids, so here we have orange color. Let's put it over here. Alright kids, so here we have a few colors. Here we have black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, and orange color. Alright kids, so as you can see, we have a few uppercase letters present over here. But wait, we don't have all of them. We have A, but next B is missing, then we have C, then next we have T that is missing. So kids, we have to write down all of them together, so let's get started. So kids, let's start with uppercase letter A. Let's write down uppercase letter A like this. So kids, can you tell me what comes after A? So yes, B comes after A like this. Then uppercase letter C comes after B, so we are writing an uppercase letter C. Wait, next box is empty. So can you tell me what comes after C? Alright, so D comes after C. So we are writing an uppercase letter D like this. So next we have E. That is uppercase letter E. Let's write it down. Next box is also missing. So we have to write uppercase letter F like this. Can you tell me what comes after F? Yes, G comes after F, so we are writing uppercase letter G. Good job. So here we have H. And then next box is empty, so can you tell me what comes after H? Yes, I comes after H, so here we have uppercase letter I. So kids, next we have J. That's already written over here. Next box is empty, so we have to write K like this. Next we have L, so let's write it down. Like this. Kids, next box is empty and we have to write an uppercase letter M like this. Good job. Next we have N. Next box is empty, so we have to write uppercase letter O. Then next we have B. Then what comes after P? So Q comes after B, so we have to write down Q. Here we have an uppercase letter Q. So next we have R. That is an uppercase letter R. Then we have to write S. Then And next we have T. So we have to write T like this. Next box is empty. So we have to write down U. Next we have uppercase letter V. That is also mentioned over here. Now we have to write down W. That is an uppercase letter W. Here we have an uppercase letter W. Next we have X. Next we have to write Y. That is an uppercase letter Y. And next we have to write Z. That is an uppercase letter Z. And also the last letter. Alright kids, so here we have written all the letters from uppercase letter A to Z. Let's revise all of them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we have written all of them with this black color. Alright kids, I hope you like this activity. If you like this activity, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.